How to troubleshoot connection issue with ExpressVPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to troubleshoot connection issue with ExpressVPN. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is working correctly. Apart from it, you can also try closing the ExpressVPN app completely and reopening it. So sometimes you can force stop it. For that case, long press on your ExpressVPN and go to the app info page, and here you can go and click on force stop and just enable it for a couple of seconds, and after that you can disable it and try re-login into your account, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. However, if the issue persists on, you can also try connecting to a different VPN server location. Sometimes the server you're trying to connect to may be experiencing high traffic or technical issues. So ExpressVPN offers a wide range of server locations, so try selecting a different one and see whether the problem resolves or not. And ExpressVPN also supports multiple VPN protocols, including OpenVPN or IKE v2. Now, switching between protocols can sometimes improve connection stability, and you can also try changing the protocol in the app settings or preference as well. And likewise, you can also try checking for an update. Sometimes if you have not updated your application, that should be one of the reasons why you're facing this sort of issues. So updating your app can help you resolve your issue all at once. Now, despite of doing all of these procedures, you're still unable to fix it, then you can restart your device. Sometimes restarting your devices can clear temporary network glitches and resolve connectivity problem as well. So these are some of the steps to troubleshoot common issues or a connection issue with ExpressVPN. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.